I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus. Welcome back to another episode of West Coast Masters. Today's lesson is window tint. We're gonna show you how simple it is to install some window tint on this Dodge Charger. Today's master technician, Bobby. Bobby, break it down for him. So today we're gonna show you how to tint your windows. Tinting front windows or any windows may be illegal in some states, so before installation, check with your local DMV regarding the legal terms. Some of the tools that you're going to need are the following: a hard card, squeegees, slammer, which is a triangular piece for the corners, a single edge razor blade for prepping the window, a spray bottle with Johnson's baby shampoo mixed with water as a slipping agent, lint-free paper towels, masking tape, Olfa type blade for cutting the film and trimming, and of course a heat gun. So the first thing you want to do is measure the window that you're going to tint and make sure you allow for the angle of the frame. Double check your measurements. To be safe, give it an extra 2 to 3 inches. Once you have cut the appropriate size, what you're going to do is invert the film. Double it up on the board, making sure the liners are facing the opposite way, and do one cut to get both sides out of the same cut. Make sure you round off the edges. That will minimize your peel back. You're also going to need to mask off the edges of the frame with the masking tape to keep the debris from getting under the edge of the film. Once you're completed with that, you will then want to prep the surface by spraying down the glass in the film. This will help you adjust the tint once you're ready to lay it down. Once your film is cut, you are ready to apply the film on the window. Separate the driver's side from the passenger side. Next, it's time to lay down the film. You want to go in at an angle to avoid touching any edge of the film on any surface other than the glass. Adjust your tint and get it in place. Once you're confident with it, you will want to squeegee out the water by starting from the center, working towards the edges. Then you want to run your hard card and slammer with a paper towel on the edge to soak up any remaining water. Once you're finished squeegeeing all the water out, you can trim the edges to make sure everything's flush. Once you're completed with these steps, you move to the driver's side and do the exact same thing. Then you're ready to roll. Hopefully that wasn't too difficult and you have the confidence now to be able to do it yourself. I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus. Thanks again for tuning in to West Coast Masters.